Now, sugar, you know how much you love my ambrosia salad. You know what's the most important ingredient in that?
No.
Marshmallows. Now, did you know that you can make liquor-infused marshmallows as a nice little trick or treat?
That sounds fun.
Doesn't it sound like fun? So that's what we did. So what I did was I took marshmallows earlier today and I just stuck them in vodka. Now you don't throw away the vodka because guess what? Now you got marshmallow flavored vodka and you mix this with like any kind of chocolate drink and you make a s'more.
Oh.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so, but you can't just serve your friend like, watch, now they're stuck together because, you got that one? Now, like that, it doesn't look that appetizing, right?
Still looks pretty.
Yeah.
It could be.
Now, what we're gonna do, have you ever made...
do you put this on here? Or?
Yeah, you can put that on there for now. So, have you ever made colored sugar?
No.
Okay, so what you do is you take this bag, hold that open for me. I'm going to take sugar. It's Halloween. There we go. Stop it. Okay. A lot of violence with scissors today.
Yeah. I haven't been doing much help with scissors.
So there you go. So you just put some sugar in. Take some black. Black will be more fun.
Oh, black is more fun anyways.
Just one little dab. And then you close this up. You know what you do with your sugar? Just massage it. Massage it in with the color. See? Get in there. Don't get scared of the sugar. I'll make a red one. You know those sugar rims that you see at restaurants? Like we could have done a sugar rim on these drinks.
Oh yeah.
We could have done that. I didn't think
like
of it.
Like a black sugar rim on the blue one.
Black
nice.
rim. Wow. Yeah. Or like, you know what would have been cool on the apple ones? Graham cracker. No, graham cracker.
The lemon, the iced tea. That would be perfect. With graham cracker or the pumpkin
graham
ones.
cracker with crust on top.
Yeah, you just smush up the, like make it like really powdery. You're gonna take your marshmallow, just stick it down there. And because it's covered in liquor,
you can see how black it got.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh, that's pretty.
Okay. And then you can just put it in there. Okay, go ahead. Let's do another one. Let's do the black. You ready?
This is gonna be super sweet.
Yeah. And then for the top, just dab it in there. Whoop. There we go. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
And instead of Jello shots, you got marshmallow shots.
Yeah, I've never heard of marshmallow shots.
Let's do red. Don't let the kids get to it.
Yeah.
And these are cute too. Like imagine if you had done a marshmallow, but like you can take candy too. So you can take like peppermint candies and put it on the outside. Isn't that cute?
Yes.
I want to do another yellow one. I like the yellow.
Even red with black together would look cool.
Oh yeah, let's do that. Here. You want me to hold it?
Oh, actually, do a light coating of black. And then now I'm good.
It's more. Here, you do it. You're good at that. Oh, it's melting. It's melting! Ah. It literally melted. Okay, we'll put that there. So that's it. So now that's another little snack that you can do. Instead of Jello shots, you can do marshmallow shots. Whee! I like the yellow.
The orange.
Or the orangish yellow, yeah. Here you go. Who wants to try one? Do you dare?
Go for it.
Is it good?
There's a lot going on.
Should I try it?
Wow.
Should I try it? I'm scared.
It's like taking an actual vodka shot, but then the sugar coating is just like sugar coating it.
Oh.
You should
Oh my god.
You should try the black one.
Holy.
It's like you get to crunch the sugar so you're not overwhelmed by the vodka, but it's in there.
Holy crap.
That's one way to get you good.
Look at those eyes.
His eyes turn extra black.
Well, I'm glad I saved this for the last segment because you know me. So that's a fun little trick and treat that you can make for your friends for your Halloween party. And again, I want to thank Flept.
Thank you.
Flept, explain the name Flept.
We made it up. We thought it was weird.
We just make up words sometimes.
There you go.
We thought it was a weird word to make up and something memorable, hopefully.
It's like Florida and everything
I guess
else
that's
in
true.
between.
Yeah,
Florida
I didn't even
and
think about that.
Yeah.
So
everything, cool and fun.
Yeah.
So check out their channel.
thank you for
again.
having
Thank
us.
you.
No, thank
We're
you
very
again for
honored.
joining me here at Indiana Jones and letting me be all my little fun characters today. It was a lot of fun, and thank you for letting me dress you up for
Had a
Halloween.
good time. Thank you.
Great. Well, have a happy Halloween, guys. Take care. Bye.